What if there is a lazy way to get more than $700 as soon as today? Now when I mean lazy, I mean getting pretty much 90% of the work done for you with just a few clicks of a button, and you can start receiving your very first payment right now. $100, $200, or even up to $700. And after researching more than 300 plus different methods and strategies to make money online, only a very few of them actually pass the tests and are proven to make real money, and this is one of them. Warning: please do not abuse these methods in an unethical way. Only watch this video if you promise to use the money that you make in a good way to benefit the society. Even though this is a completely free method that works in every country in the world, not everyone can make money with it. Why? Because 97% of the people who are watching this video will skip some parts of the video without fully understanding the entire concept and miss out on some very small details and some very important parts. So don't be the 97% of the people who don't make any money, so make sure you watch this video all the way until the end. But before we start, welcome to Finance Girl, where we teach you how to make money online the simplest way. Make sure to subscribe to this channel and don't forget to click on the notification bell so whenever we upload a new video on how to make money online, you will be updated and you can start making things happen. Also, please give this video a big thumbs up. And if ever you have any concerns, questions, or opinions about the video, don't be shy and just leave a comment down below. Now let's get back to the video. In this video, I'll show you one of the laziest ways to make money. And I'm not talking about small money here. I'm talking about $700 or even thousands of dollars. Right now, you can go on to ladium.org. Now once you come over to the homepage of this website, I want you to come in and click on this link on top which says Browse. And I want you to select on this category, which is Browse Projects. From there, that's going to bring you straight onto this page where you can find different featured projects. And you can see here, when I go down below, there are literally unlimited projects that you can select right on this website. And you could be making a lot of money, and I'll show you a very lazy way to do it, and you don't have to put any of the hard work. As you can see here, people from different countries in the world, they're getting this opportunity to make really good money. And in fact, I want you to comment down below and let me know what your country is and where you are coming from, because we create more videos for you in my future videos. As you can see here on the last section, they are basically categorizing all the jobs into different categories. For example, usability testing, registrations, translations, app downloads, video and animation, and so on and so forth. Now on this video, I'll save you a lot of time as always. I'll show you the bonus tip and give you what's fast and what's working right now, and you could be making a lot of money. Now for those of you guys who are watching, I want to show you a bonus tip and I want you to focus on this category, which is graphics and design. And all you're going to do is click on this link right here, and that's going to bring you to this page and show you other projects related to graphics and design. Now don't worry, you don't need any graphic design skills, you don't need any technical skills, and you don't need any experience. In fact, I promise you, this is one of the laziest ways to make money online, and you can do this as a complete beginner. Now as you can see here, for example, these projects and how that money could change your life, you can use it to buy whatever things you want. You can buy a house, buy a car, you can have all your financial freedom and pay off any of your debt. Just look at these projects for thousands of dollars and even hundreds of dollars, and we have unlimited jobs available for everyone, and I could just keep on scrolling down. I can see here, they're just unlimited projects available. The next thing you might be having in mind is that, hey finance girl, how can I do it? But the next question you probably have is, how can I actually do that? How can I actually start making money just like these? You can see $100 up to $500 in US dollars. If you guys are enjoying this video, don't forget to smash the like button and subscribe to the channel. Now let's get back to the video. We're gonna dive straight into one of the examples. Now let's just say, for example, a project like this is posted by this company. The project they want you to do is to design a new and original logo. Now all you gotta do is click on this project right here, and that's going to bring you to this page. You can see here the reward that is hundreds of dollars, and they're gonna pay you in US dollars. Now you can see here the instructions, which will vary depending on which project you choose. That's the name of their company. Now once again, don't worry. You don't have to create any of the logo yourselves. You can go on freelogodesign.org. Now once you come over to the homepage, you can see here, this website offers you free services and free software to create logos for you in literally just a few seconds. And as you can see here, these are just some of the professional logos for different companies, and these are all the kinds of different templates and different designs, and I'll show you exactly how to do it right now. I'll give you a lot of examples and show you a few bonus tips, and so at the end of this video, I'll show you another special website to literally multiply your earnings through a couple more money by simply clicking on a few buttons. And once again, I promise you, this is going to be one of the laziest ways to make money without any of the hard work. You can literally create an entire professional logo in just a few seconds. So right now, let me show you exactly how to do this. You will need two pieces of information to create a free logo on this website. Number one, you need a company name. And number two, you have to select one of these categories as you can see here. Now let's say if we want to work on this project, now we can find a company name. You can see this is the company name. Go ahead and enter the company name. And the reason why we're going to put in the name of the company because that's going to appear on the logo. As you can see here, they're going to give us a lot of different templates, and the name of the company will appear right on the logo. And moving on, you'll need to learn about what's the category of their company, which you can find on their instructions. Once you enter the company's name, we have to move on to select one of these categories. You can just click on this down arrow and choose one of these categories. Basically, you can find a lot of categories from this down arrow. So from there, when you scroll down below, you want to look for the specific category for the company you will be making the logo, so just click on this. And from there, all you gotta do is click on this button, Get Started, and they're going to start loading up as you can see here and show you different kinds of logos. And guess what? With just one click of a button, you can see here they literally help you to create your logo, and they have pages and pages of logo designs that you can use for absolutely free. Now as you can see, you're gonna scroll down, look for any of these logo designs, and they're super professional. Let's just say once you finish on page number 1, you can just click here to go on to page number 2, and they'll show you even more different logo designs as you can see here, and the name of the company will show up right there on the logo design. Now if you're not satisfied with any of these logos, or for example, when you send it to your client later and they are not satisfied, you can just go on and select any of these new logos and then show them once again. From just one single category, as you can see here, there are 4 pages of different logo designs. Now if you're not satisfied, you're just gonna click on other different categories and they'll show you other logo designs as you can see here. There are just unlimited options and unlimited logo designs that you can choose from with just one click of a button, and you don't need any technical skill, you don't need any graphic design skills, and you don't have to create any of the logos yourself. As I promised you, this one is the laziest ways to make money right now without any experience. So let's just say if you want to select on this logo, all you gotta do is just click on the right here and click on the Add button, and from there, that is going to show up right here on your canvas. Now we can do any other customization or any editing that you want. Say for example, this graphic. You can just drag and drop to whatever place you want. We can make it bigger, you can make it smaller, you can do any adjustments you want. For example, the name of the company. You can even add some tags, you can change the color. You can change the font size. You can drag and drop to any place that you want. And of course, they're so professional, you don't have to do any of the adjustments. You can just get all the done for you logos with just one click of a button, and you can actually preview this logo by just clicking on this button. And once again, this works on your mobile phone. This is also working on your computer. You can do it on any devices that you have. Once you're satisfied with the logo design, all you have to do is click on the Save button to save it on your device. So this is just one of the examples to create a logo for this one company. And guess what? When you go back to Ladium.org and browse on different projects, you have literally hundreds of projects. They're looking to hire people like you and I to design different logos, and they're paying you top dollars, $500 to $1,000 again and again, right here on this website. And they pay you on time, on schedule, and all you gotta do is click on this button on top to sign up for free, and that's going to bring you to this page and put in your email address, and you can sign up for a free account and start making money. And as a bonus for some of you guys who are still watching all the way until the end, I'll show you another bonus tip now other than Ladium.org. You can also go on to fiverr.com, and this is basically another freelancer website where you can find different similar projects as well. So all you gotta do is type in this keyword logo design, and all you gotta do is click on Search button. And from there, you can find different projects and different other logo design work as you can see here. And these are just some examples of other freelancers from different countries in the world. They are making really good money on Fiverr by simply helping other people to create and design a logo. You can see here, this person creates professional logo designs for this amount. Right here, another one, and you can see their review over here. And there are literally hundreds and thousands of people, and they're looking for somebody to help them create a logo design. And guess what? You could be the one to do this, and you can just simply go onto this website, freelogodesign.org, to create other logos professionally with just one click of a button, and this is absolutely free. And that's it! Before we go, make sure to subscribe to the channel and click on the notification bell. Smash the like button, and I'll see you in the next videos.